So to get to the map sensor, it's actually at the back of the manifold where this plug is. All right, so we unplug it. And this actually doesn't pop right up. It feels loose, but it doesn't come right up. What you have to do is give it a little twist counterclockwise, and it unthreads all by itself and comes out. There we go. All right. Okay, and there you go. And I have a new one to put in, and it's just the reverse. Real easy to do. Okay, so here we have the new sensor. I just went down to my local O'Reilly's that was a few minutes away and picked one up. So basically the installation process is just the reverse of taking it out. But here you can see at the bottom where it has the little threads. So that's why you can't pop it right out. You have to put it in and then give it a small turn, and then it seats all by itself. And this comes with its own O-rings. Just make sure when you buy one it has an O-ring on there. So basically when you want to put it back in place, it's going to start out in this position, and then you'll turn it to this position so it lines up with the plug. So just kind of have to feel for the location where it was. Drop it in, and then just give it a little turn, just like that. Okay, and then the plug snaps on. It's nice and secure. And there you have it. Map sensor has been changed and ready to go.